So, yes, please tell me about yourself. Hello.
Yes, so hi Vipender. Good morning. My name is Kirti Upadhyay and hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, sir.
So, okay.
Yeah, please continue.
So hi Vipender. Good morning. My name is Kirti. Yes. Hello Vipendra, good morning. My name is Kirti Upadhyay and I am from Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh.
Hmm.
I have done my graduation in the year 2017. From there, I started my career with TCS as a Java backend developer. We were working for a US-based financial service client, where we were developing a web-based application for our client. And after 3.5 years span with TCS, I switched to Nagarro Enterprise Services Private Limited, which is my current organization.
Hmm.
I've been associated with Nagarro for around 2.5 years, in which I got an opportunity to work with two projects, two clients of telecom domain.
Hmm.
One Airtel, another one, and the present project is Rakuten.
Hmm.
In my current project also, we are building a web-based application for our client. As far as the technological parts are concerned, I have worked upon Java 8, Spring Boot framework, and microservices architecture. And the databases which I have worked upon are MySQL.
Hmm.
Apart from that, throughout the career, I have worked upon Git for the code versioning tool, and for database interaction with the Java code, I have worked upon Spring Hibernate framework. Also, currently I'm working as a senior Java backend developer, so I'm also leading a team of five. Apart from that, also involved in the requirement getting an analysis part of the client, and using JUnit Mockito framework to write the unit test cases to maintain the good quality of code coverage, as well as using SonarQube tool to maintain the code quality.
Okay. So now you have worked on Spring Boot. Spring Boot.
Yes,
Hello.
I have worked upon Spring Boot.
Yes, yes. So microservices.
Yes.
So my first question, what is the
Yes,
architecture
I have
of?
worked upon microservices also.
Yeah. So what is the design pattern of microservices? How to build it microservices
Sorry.
by using that design pattern? How to build microservices by using its design pattern? So can you give the name of two or three design pattern? Hello.
Actually, there are different design hello, am I audible?
Yeah,
Actually, I
yeah.
think there is some network issue from someone's side, I think.
Okay, 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 okay. No problem. Yeah, I am audible right now.
Yes, yes, you're properly audible, yeah.
Yeah. So
So what were you saying?
I am telling about microservice design pattern, how to build it microservices. Suppose you have 100
Okay, so
microservices in terms of,
if we,
yeah, yeah, please go ahead, go ahead.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, there are multiple design patterns which can be followed in microservices. One is Saga design pattern we can use for data consistency. We can use API composition design patterns, and if to find that another microservices, we can use service discovery design pattern. And like if you want to there is circuit breaker design pattern as well, where we need to if we need to execute any circuit breaker like history circuit breaker in case of any microservices fails while getting communicated. So these are some different types of communications which we can sorry these are different types of design patterns we can adopt in microservices.
Okay.
Apart from that, at Java code level, we can have different design patterns as well, like abstract factory, singleton prototype, all different types of design patterns for our Java code base.
Okay. So now I come into Spring Boot. Okay. So you know the Spring Boot. What is
Yes.
advantage? Can you give the 4 point of advantage and 4 point of disadvantage?
Advantage of Spring Boot you are asking?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes. So basically, Spring Boot. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So basically, Spring Boot framework is what we can say. First of all, okay, why Spring Boot is what is the main advantage of Spring Boot? So we can say that first of all, it is very easy to create a standalone. It is very easy to create a standalone application. So basically, Spring Boot framework is a framework which is provided by Spring, and Spring comes with the XML based configuration and annotation based configuration, whereas Spring Boot comes with XML free configuration. Like there are no XML configuration. All the configuration are done by
But
annotations and all. So it's
yeah, just one
first
minute.
of all,
Just 1 minute. Without Spring, without XML base, we can manage Spring framework as well. Java based configuration can
we
manage.
can have, yeah, we can have it, like for example for IOC, for creating the IOC containers, like the main backbone of Spring framework are IOC containers. So
Hmm.
in Spring framework we can have the Java based, also we can have XML based configuration also to configure the beans.
Hmm.
But here in Spring Boot, with the help of annotations, we can configure the beans, and we can initialize the beans, and we can manage the dependency between the beans. So this is one example, one advantage. Then another thing is embedded server support, like Tomcat server is being provided in Spring Boot. So
Hmm.
like if we need to test our application, so we just need to add the dependency of we just need to add the dependency of Spring Boot starter Tomcat, which is present under Spring Boot Starter Web. So Tomcat server will be embedded presently. So it will be embeddedly present. So we can have the easy testing. Then also there are different starter templates present in Spring Boot, which can simplify the dependencies and build configuration. So like
And
so
disadvantage? Can you give the short answer because of we have time
okay.
scope
Yeah. So
limited.
okay, disadvantage.
Yeah.
Disadvantage of Spring Boot. Um, that if we compare it with the Quarkus, if we compare with the Quarkus framework, which is being extensively used currently nowadays, then we can see that the build up time, the run up time is much more than the Quarkus. Quarkus, it takes less time to bring up the application. But
Any
yeah,
other?
uh, I would like to think, but as we have the time crunch, so
Just 1 minute. I'm just asking
okay.
how to write the code of Java finding the
Uh,
duplicate characters from the string. Okay, so this is my question. This is
Actually,
first
uh,
question to you. This is the console,
okay.
and here I am writing string str is equal to AA and BB and CC. No, 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 no. So this is our string str is equal
Okay.
to AABBCC. How to find the
Okay.
duplicate? Or you can tell, write the code for finding the duplicate, or you can remove the duplicate. You can write as a string, write a unique element in this string. Can you write this program?
Your voice is lagging.
Okay, so
Actually, your voice was getting cut in the last. What did you say?
yes, you you can write the code, find the duplicate characters from string.
Okay, okay, okay. So here we can do it by two ways. One by the by converting this string to the character array, and then iterating it in the character array and to create a map. And inside that map, since the map has the property of
Okay,
keys and values, where keys
okay,
will be unique and values we can be overridden. So in
okay.
like that,
Kirti, can you write? Can you write?
but we can do it with the help of that. Okay, okay, okay. So we can do it with the help of Java 8 as well. So arrays dot
No,
string
any have any other
str dot
alternative
display so
without
split
string
yeah
API use?
collect. Okay, set. Without string API, we can do it with this. We can create a map. We can what we will do
Yeah, yeah. So you write.
without. Okay, just give me a minute.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
If we need to do it without. Okay, writing character array. We have to write a character array str dot to import java.util also import java dot util star character to array and here hash map character integer map new hash map for int I is equal to 0 I less than arr dot length I plus plus if map dot contains key अगर map dot contains key arr of I होता है then map dot put arr of I map dot get arr of I plus 1 else map dot put arr of I 1 and then for map dot entry character integer entry map dot entry set system dot out dot println entry dot get key entry dot get value.
Okay, you write in custom input one, then compile and execute.
Uh, अच्छा custom input one.
Yeah, you anything else you can, any character you can put. Character.
Acha, okay, okay, got it. 15 line पे. अच्छा, okay. Oh, sorry. Yes. Just please give me a minute. A to char array ARR hash map character integer new hash map for int I is equal to if map dot contains key ARR of map dot contain ARR of I map dot put ARR of I. अच्छा, okay, got it. Sorry. Now it will work. Map dot get ARR of I plus 1. Yeah.
Okay, okay, got it, correct.
Okay.
So
Yes.
now I am moving in other questions. You know Java 8.
Yes, I am aware of Java 8.
So in Java 8, you know optional class, right?
Yes, I am aware of optional classes.
Why we are using optional class? Why it is required in Java 8?
So in Java 8, optional class was introduced to avoid null pointer exception.
Mm-hmm.
For example, before Java 8, what we used to do, we used to check if anything is if we need to check if we need to provide any null check, we used to give by entity not equal to null. If the entity is so we used to give it object utils dot is empty, object utils is dot null. If the class is string, we used to call string utils class to check null values. But here with the help of optional, what from Java 8 we can do, we can create an optional of a object, and then with the help of it and optional class have their methods like if present, is present, and etc. So with the help of that we can provide null check, so we can avoid null pointer exception.
Okay. Uh, one another thing about that, you know method reference. Method reference.
Yes, I know method reference, consider reference both.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I am aware of method reference.
So what is this? You know how?
So method reference was also introduced as a part of Java 8, which is yes, yes, I know about method reference. In method reference, it is denoted by two double colon operators, through which what we can do, we can call the methods. For example, if we have to call any static method of class my class, so we can instead of calling it my class dot static method, we can call it my class double colon the method name.
Okay. So you know about the.
Acha, you are writing this. Okay, sorry.
No. Okay. You continue. Suppose if you have in Java exception. Okay. So how do you deal exception? How many way you can deal? Or what type of exceptions is there in Java?
So okay, so in Spring Boot application, we are doing centralized exception handling
Mhm.
to handle the exception handling to do the exception handling. So at the part of centralized exception handling, what we do, we annotate our class with @controller advice annotation. So all the exceptions thrown by the project will be handled by the exception class, and inside that exception class, we will create the method that will handle a specific exception. Like for example, with the help of that exception handler annotation, and inside it we can provide the value and we can provide which exception needs to be handled under this method. So this is how we can do. This is how we are doing the exception handling.
Okay. So I have written this question. Tree set ts is equal to new tree set. Okay. Ts dot add null ts dot add string. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So what you get the printout?
Okay. Uh, uh, reset dot add ऑब्जेक्ट एलिमेंट करेंगे. ट्री सेट अगर पहला नल होता है, आई थिंक विल गेट आई वांट आई थिंक I think it's null pointer exception should be thrown. Yes, I think there are three. Yes, I think null pointer exception will be thrown. Null
Okay.
pointer exception will be thrown in this case
Okay.
because we cannot add a null in tree set. Yeah.
So you see, okay, your answer is correct. So what is error?
Sorry. Actually, your voice
No, what I am
is
telling,
lagging
what
a
is
bit.
error? Okay, error is that why. Okay, no problem. So this is the last question to you. You know about concurrency hash map and hash map.
Yes, I am aware of HMAP.
Okay, so please tell about that.
Uh, about like its like internal implementation, something like that.
No, 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 no. Difference. What is difference between concurrency hash map and hash map?
Okay, so if we talk about the concurrent hash map, then first of all, concurrent hash map is the underlying data structure of concurrent hash map is hash table, whereas the underlying data structure of hash map is a array of nodes, is an array of nodes. But after Java 8, after a certain threshold value, this array of nodes gets converted into a binary tree or something like that. So that is a different thing. But here in concurrent hash map, we get thread safety without locking the total map. But with the bucket level, so we get concurrent hash map, which are what we can say it's a
Okay,
thread safe.
okay, Kirti, that is sufficient. So you have
Okay.
worked on agile model
Just I worked on agile model.
and agile development methodology you have used.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so you know the basic type scripting
Type scripting. Yes, yes.
and some basic command of Unix. Suppose you want.
Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. I'm aware of Unix command. Yes.
Okay, so now I have done your interview, so I will give your feedback as a positive to HR. So let you
Okay.
know. And before going to other round, just to brush up your technical skill more. Okay, because
Okay, okay.
this is the screening interview. This is 30-minute interview. So another panel will take like that, take time to ask to more question about all your skill set. Okay?
Sure, Vipin, sure. Thank,
Thank you.
thank you, Vipin. It was nice talking to you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.